In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete and remove an email in Gmail. Whether you're trying to clean up your inbox or remove sensitive information, following these instructions will make the process easy. First, you'll need to access your Gmail account. You can do this by heading to mail.google.com using any web browser or by opening the Gmail app on your mobile device. After entering your login credentials, you'll be directed straight to your inbox. Here, all your incoming emails reside. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's been a while since you last visited. Once you've settled in your inbox, the next task is to select the email you intend to delete. Carefully scroll through your list to find that specific message you no longer need. Simply click on it to highlight or open it. Highlighting or opening the email notifies Gmail that this is your target for deletion. With the email selected, you'll notice a small trash bin icon at the top of your screen. This icon is your delete function, so go ahead and click on it. Performing this action sends the email to your trash folder. But what if you prefer to delete the email directly from the list without actually opening it? Well, you're in luck. You'll find a small trash bin icon right alongside the email in the list. Clicking this icon will also move it to the trash. Now, to ensure that the email is permanently erased, head to the left sidebar of your Gmail interface. Generally, there's a More drop-down menu. Click on it to expand your list of available folders and sections within Gmail. Among the options, you'll see a folder labeled Trash. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the trash folder, locate the email you've just moved there. Click to select it. If you need to delete multiple emails at once, you can select as many as required. Once your email is selected, look for the Delete Forever option at the top. Clicking this will irrevocably remove the email from your account, so make sure you're completely certain before proceeding. In case you're interested in getting rid of more clutter, there's an efficient way to empty your trash all at once. Simply look at the top of the trash folder and locate the Empty Trash Now option. Clicking this will swiftly remove all emails contained in the trash folder immediately, providing a comprehensive cleanup. Remember, when you choose to delete an email forever, it's irretrievable, so proceed with caution. And that's it. With these steps, your email has now been permanently deleted, freeing up space and reducing clutter in your Gmail account.